Hey guys, it's Danielle Creme and welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this gorgeous glowy spring look, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to start off barefaced. First, I'm going to apply some FARSALI Unicorn Essence all over my face. And I'm basically just using this serum as kind of a moisturizer and primer for my skin. And we're just going to rub this in all over my face. Booyah. Next, I'm going to go in with my OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Eye Brightening Cream, and I just really love this stuff and I feel like it really helps with my dark circles, so I'm just going to apply this all over, both under my eye and on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Photo Finish SMASHBOX Primer Water, and I'm just using this as a secondary primer because, you know, I be doing the most. Okay, and to get that glowy spring look that we're all looking for, I'm going to go in with my BECCA Cosmetics shimmering veil, something like that. I don't really know. I'll leave it down below, but I'm basically just going to blend this all over my face using a beauty sponge, and it's going to give my skin that extra glowy look that I'm looking for today. Okay, and next I'm going to go in with two newbies. These are the Maybelline Fit Me foundations. I'm using Dewy and Matte, and I'm just going to put these all over my face and just mix them together. And let me tell you guys, I have been sleeping on this foundation. It is so good. Next I'm going to go with my Morphe Y6, and I'm just going to use this to blend the bottom portion of my face, of course, all over my ears and my neck to make sure I have that seamlessly flawless foundation base. And then I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender to kind of get the areas that I don't want the foundation to settle into and make sure that everything's really blended out and it doesn't look streaky. And then of course I use that to blend out the foundation on my forehead because I already got my brows done and we're not trying to mess those up. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha, I believe. I'm not really sure, but I'll leave it in the description box down below. But I'm basically just using this to contour the forehead and sculpt out the cheeks. And y'all, this is a really great formula. Like, it is so creamy and the color is so bomb, let me tell you. Usually I like to contour with a darker color, but this color is like perfect and it blends out so seamlessly with this foundation. So I'm just using a Morphe stippling brush. I don't remember the name, I'm sorry. Y'all can come for me in the comments if you want to, but I'm gonna just use this brush to blend everything out nice and beautifully, you know. Okay, and next I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer because I could not find my shade for the Maybelline Fit Me when I was at the store. So we're just going to use this, and I believe it's the color Custard. And I'm just going to use this to highlight all the high points in my face, you know, forehead, nose, under the eye, and my lip, and my chin, you know, okay. And blend it out with a beauty sponge from Morphe, of course. And now I'm going to go in with my MERCIER, you know, my ride or die. And I'm basically just going to set my entire face with this. And I use a brush and a sponge. So next I'm going in with my COLOURPOP. This is the, I want to say this is the California Dreaming Bronzer. And I'm just going in with a Morphe contour brush. And I'm just going to use that to set the Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I put around my face to contour, and I'm just help blend everything out seamlessly because, you know, I'm looking a little crazy right now, but it's gonna come through. And then I'm just using a smaller brush to go ahead and snatch the nose. Next, oh my god, next I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush. I can't remember the name of this, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. But let me tell you, the pigmentation in this blush is probably like the best pigmentation I've ever used. And I'm not really a blush girl, but this blush was looking bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. And then, you know, I'm going in with the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm about to just drown my face. No, seriously, I'm drowning myself in the Fix Plus because, you know, I'm doing the most. And then I just like to go in with a beauty blender or sponge, doesn't matter. And I just kind of press all of that into my face so that everything blends seamlessly and helps settle everything. That way you don't look too, you know, powdery and stuff. Okay, moving on to the eyes. I'm going in with the 24G by Morphe, and I'm just using that brown shade to give my eyes some depth. It's the only shade I'm going to be using on my eyelid, but I just kind of want to deepen it up and make myself look a little bit more awake. Then I'm going in with the Sigma gel liner. This is the shade Wicked. Y'all, let me tell you, I am so proud of this wing. Like, this is probably like my first time I really tried to do a wing, and I'm very impressed. So, you know, just appreciate that because I'm happy. And I was using an angle brush at first, but I just went in with this smaller lip pencil brush to really like define everything and fill in those lines. And then next I'm going to that beautiful pink shade from the Morphe 24G palette. And this is basically just to add a splash of color and give it that spring vibe. Then I'm going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics it's a highlighting powder, but I'm just using that pretty like rose pinky color to place in the inner corner of my eyes. And then, you know, we gotta set these brows so they ain't looking too crazy. And I'm just using Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I'm going in with the BADgal Bang mascara. It is so bomb and I love it, especially for my lower lashes because I don't have no lashes, but I really do like this mascara and I feel like it works really well. So I'm just gonna put a generous amount on my top lashes and of course, you know, my bottom lashes because, you know, it's just gonna help my falsies blend in better later. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Fake Awake eyeliner. It's just like this really like pink kind of nude color, and it's just gonna make me look more awake. And then I'm gonna go in with some falsies. I'll leave the name in the description box down below. And then I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl lip liner in NYX and Chestnut, along with this lip gloss by ColourPop collab in I Love ITSMYRAYERAYE. But yeah, lip gloss is bomb.com. So next we want that glow to the gods, so I'm gonna go and use my unicorn essence with a beauty blender, and I just kind of like dab that on there, and I dab it on the place that I want my highlighter. And I'm gonna go in with the Artist Couture collab with Jackie Aina, and that is La Peach, and let me tell you, fire. Like, I am so impressed with this glow right now, and I really love the formula of this, but I can't even describe it. Alright guys, and that is it. This is the final look. I just kind of threw on this cute little diamond choker I got from H&M. If you like videos like this, or you want to see me do more videos like this for the springtime, little voiceovers, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.